Hi everyone, my name is Maëlie and I am an activity leader for the Edmundston Public Library's Summer Reading Club, and today we are making a horse craft with paper cups. For this activity, you will need the kit that we have provided, which contains 2 white paper cups, 4 strips of white paper, 1 piece of pink paper, black paper, and white paper, as well as some wool, some eye stickers, and a piece of double-sided tape. And from home, you will need some type of glue, either liquid glue, glue stick, or tape, but this craft works better if you have hot glue, so if you have a parent present, you can ask them for help with that. And you will also need a pair of scissors. To begin, you need to take your small pieces of colored paper, the pink, the black, and the white, and cut along the lines that are drawn in pencil. On the pink paper, there are 2 long ovals and 2 triangles. On the black paper, there are 4 circles, and on the white paper, there's 2 triangles. So, we start by cutting them out. Once this is done, you can glue the pink triangles inside the white triangles. Then, you'll be done assembling the ears. Next, we take the 4 strips of white paper and fold them like this. Once the 4 strips are folded, glue the black circles to the bottom of the folded strips to create little feet. Once this is done, you can take your little pink oval pieces and eye stickers and glue them to one of the cups. Then, take the legs, the white paper strips and black circles, and glue them to the side of the other cup. Then, you can take one of the pieces of yarn and cut them the same length to make the horse's hair, and the other piece of yarn to make the tail. You can take the pieces of yarn and glue them to the edge of the cup for the hair and the tail. Then, you can glue the ears behind the hair. After that, just take the double-sided adhesive square and stick it to the edge of this cup. Then, stick the other cup on top. And that's it, you're done. I really hope you liked today's activity. You can send us a picture of your creation on our social media. See you next time.